Hello, my name is Olivia. Welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Olivia. I make Disney travel vlogs. I make days in the park, pack and prep with me's, all the Disney content. I absolutely love going to Disney World. My husband and I are annual pass holders from Indiana for Disney World, and we go usually 3 or 4 times a year. So we are about to go again for this year. We had a trip back in April. Today is currently May 30th, and we leave tomorrow for Disney World. I have so many butterflies about this trip. Cannot believe it. This is actually the trip that we booked whenever we were at the Polynesian when we used our bounce back offer. This is when we were at the pool and we were like, hey, by the way, we're gonna be going back to Disney. We already have our next Disney trip booked. We definitely went back before this trip, obviously, if you want to check out the last series of vlogs where we stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And this trip has been booked since December, and we have been so ready for it. When we were looking at those bounce back offer deals, we saw this resort, and ever since we had our honeymoon, we knew we wanted to stay here, because when we stayed at the Riviera, we had one night, we went out to dinner at a resort that we had never been to before. We'd only stayed like near, but we didn't really go to. And I guess this is where I'm going to tell you guys where we're staying. We are staying at Disney's Boardwalk. I have so many butterflies in my stomach about this. The Boardwalk is just pure Disney magic. The vibes are immaculate. Stepping one foot into the gift shop and like going around there, Riley and I both looked at each other and said, we have to stay here. And so we avoided going in the lobby, but we haven't actually like immersed ourselves in any of it. So I'm so ready to be able to actually enjoy all of that, take it all in, and be able to just create so many amazing memories here. I cannot believe it. We ate at Flying Fish, and then we like went around the gift shops a little bit. We haven't been actually in the resort. I have like not let myself ever since I knew I wanted to stay there, because I want to have an entire experience of staying there. And anytime I see anything about it, I immediately just scroll right past. There's no way I want to spoil any of the magic of this resort, because the second we had dinner there, I knew I wanted to stay there so bad. And whenever we stayed at Yacht Club across from it, I was like, we'll wait until we stay there, you know, because we obviously want to stay at every Disney resort. And this has been my dream to stay here ever since dinner at Flying Fish. The vibes were immaculate. Everything was just so stunning. I like knew I would like it, like just from like seeing it and being like, oh yeah, the Boardwalk, it's iconic, you know. But being in there, I was so shocked. They were like playing like the movie on the lawn, you know how they do at Disney resorts. And I looked around and I was like, the vibes here are so unique and beautiful and just like classic Disney feel. And that's definitely like more of my vibe, just feeling like really immersed in the magic of a unique Disney resort, like at the Polynesian, the Riviera. And when I went to the Boardwalk, I said, yep, this is gonna be such an amazing stay. So this is gonna be really soon. Actually, this is the soonest I've ever filmed my pack and prep with me, because we actually just moved into our house. You can't really see much here, but we are in our new house. We moved only a week ago, and so hence that's why I'm filming this the night before. We actually leave tomorrow morning, and our flight takes off at like 5:25 a.m. So we have to get to the airport like at 3:30 in the morning probably. It's gonna be an early morning, definitely gonna have to wake up at like 2:30 in the morning. It's gonna be a very fun but exciting but tired morning. So this is gonna be a pretty chaotic pack and prep with me. I forgot to say, obviously, these videos are so amazing for me to film, because this means I'm about to go on a Disney trip, because Disney travel days are my absolute favorite days, my favorite vlogs. I love the excitement of a Disney travel day. And if I'm filming this, I have a Disney travel day right after this. So make sure to follow along on Instagram as well, because I post everything we're doing throughout the day, from when we wake up to when we go to sleep. I post like little pictures of everything that I think like kind of show like the Disney magic and what I enjoy, and where we're eating, what we're doing, what rides we're riding, kind of everything like that, like outfits, things like that too. And so it's just so fun for me to do, and I definitely like to kind of show like little clips of our day. So make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with the trip in real time. I'll definitely post for each day of this trip, and this trip is going to be 5 nights, 6 days. Very excited for that. Definitely longer than our last trip. Our last trip was only 3 nights, and we usually do longer trips like this. I think the only one we haven't done a longer trip like this was when we stayed at Coronado and Animal Kingdom Lodge. Both of those stays were long weekend stays. So this is gonna be so amazing, guys. Again, pretty chaotic. I'm not going to try these outfits on because it's the night before. This is what I'm wearing. There's no changing it. You'll have to see it in real time, because Apparently, we do not have time for that. So I'm just gonna show you guys each and every day. I'm gonna show you here on my notes app in a second. I'm just cracking myself up because I am usually a very type A planner when it comes to Disney, especially. And honestly, we've just been so busy with moving and wanting to make sure our moving transition was really smooth from our apartment to our house. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys my list of outfits that I normally do. So as you can see, pack and prep with me, and I have each day listed out. And then in relation to each day is the outfits that I need for each day. So for example, travel day, I need an airport outfit, Typhoon Lagoon outfit because we're going to Typhoon Lagoon, finally using the offer from Disney to go to the water parks for free on travel day. How amazing is that? Like, come on, let's do it. Like the first day of your resort stay. And then a dinner dress. So I need 3 different outfits for that. So it's nice to put this out that way. I don't think, oh yeah, I just need an outfit for like the airport and Typhoon Lagoon, and then I totally forget that I also need like a dinner outfit, a dinner dress. And then for each park day, I also put the outfit that I want to match the vibe of each park, or what outfit I'm thinking. Sometimes I buy a shirt and I'm like, this is totally an Epcot shirt I want to wear for Epcot day. I'm so excited to show you guys everything. Again, sorry for a little bit of the chaos with this. It's gonna be not as planned out. I'm probably not gonna go through like the necessities of what to bring to Disney, like with the things like makeup, toiletries, sunscreen, hair products, all those kind of things I normally do. I will put a screenshot here if you wanna go ahead and take a screenshot of this or take a picture with your phone of the screen. And this is kind of like what I recommend to bring to Disney. I usually include this and talk about the details on every pack and prep with me, but hey, we don't got the time, guys. It is currently 6:55. We have less than 12 hours until Disney World. About 12 hours from now, we'll basically almost be there. So we gotta go, let's get going, and I'll show you guys the outfit for each day. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack it, obviously, not just try on the outfit, because I gotta put everything in my suitcase and get ready to go. So let's do this thing. This is the current chaos of putting outfits all over my bed to hopefully figure out what we're gonna wear. I have some dresses, nicer outfits over here, kind of my park days, obviously things I bought from Shop Disney. And I actually got these ears, so excited to wear them. These outfits are gonna be a major sleigh. I definitely need to get my suitcase out of the laundry room. Let's go ahead and get this, and then we can finally start packing. To make a guest appearance. Hi, Forrest. You say hi, everybody. Hello. Forrest, is this what you're packing for Disney? Your toy? And there he goes. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Are you going to Disney? No, you're going on a vacation at Grandpa's house. Here we go, guys. Day 1, let's get these outfits going for travel day. I'm gonna be wearing Lululemon biker shorts. I have 3 pairs of these, another 3rd pair's buried over here. I have 3 pairs of these Lululemon biker shorts. I know that sounds crazy, but these are absolutely the best. Okay, so I wear them with like all my oversized Disney tees. This will be my airport outfit. I think this is very, very cutie. And I bought this whenever we were at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So I'm gonna wear this with biker shorts. And then for Typhoon Lagoon, I'm gonna wear actually this Costco swimsuit that I got for such a good deal. Like, I think these are so cute. I think this will be really, really cute at the pool there. And then for dinner, I have to show you guys this dress. Here we go. This dress is from Old Navy. I think it's really cute and will kind of match the vibes of the boardwalk pretty well. And then look at that, we already have day 1 done. So check off all those boxes. Also, look at all my packing cubes. These are excessive, but honestly, they saved my packing to make everything look 10 times more organized than it actually is. Now for Hollywood Studios, I'm gonna wear this On My Way to a Magical Day t-shirt. The back is also really, really cute. With this top, I'm gonna wear my black Lululemon biker shorts. Sorry for the glare of the sun. It's literally golden hour right now and it's shining through like crazy. And I have ears, also from Shop Disney, that are gonna be really cute with that. And that's what I'm gonna wear for day 2 at Hollywood Studios. And then for Epcot, I'm wearing this Disney tee that I also bought from Shop Disney. And I think this back is so cute. I absolutely fell in love with this shirt when I saw it, and this is actually embroidered. I'm not sure if it's still in stock. I did post it on my Instagram story whenever I bought it because I wanted other people to be able to see that it was in stock and how cute it is, but it might not be anymore because honestly, It's a 10 out of 10 Disney tee. Disney has definitely stepped it up with their clothes designing, clothes marketing. It's amazing. And then I'm gonna wear these with that t-shirt and these ears, Gleam and Glimmer Co. Yes, they are such high quality ears. The headband doesn't get too tight on your head or anything, which makes a really big difference for a really long park day for sure. That is all for day three at Epcot. I think that'll be such a cute vibe with that outfit. But for day 4 is a resort day. And so we are going to breakfast that morning and dinner that night. And so for the breakfast and like kind of that resort day, besides like swimming and enjoying the pool, I have this top here that kind of makes a bow in the back with these pants from Amazon. I actually wore the brown version of these on my last trip, and I thought those were so comfortable and so cute, so had to get them again. They're so comfortable and breathable, especially in the Florida heat. Could not be any better. For that night, I'm probably gonna wear that same outfit or switch into a dress. Oh, I have a dress for it. Wow guys, this is what you get for packing the night before. Do not be me and pack in advance. And I'm gonna wear this dress here, and it's kind of like a swoop neck, and I absolutely love it. I think it's from Altered State. And so that is all for day 4, our resort day. Next day, day 5, is at Magic Kingdom. And of course I have to wear my Disney princess tee. I bought this on our last trip. Each font is a Disney princess. How cute. I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to be wearing that t-shirt with this black pirouette biker short skirt combination from Pop Flex. I love these. They're so nice for the parks. I wore a purple one on my last trip. That was so comfortable. And then with that, I'm gonna wear these bell ears, princess ears. I actually have not owned any of the princess ears yet, so this is a cute little touch to have for a Disney outfit. Really excited for this. And the last day, unfortunately, has to happen eventually, you know. Disney trips can't last forever. I'm probably gonna wear my classic Disney crew neck with, again, a black pair of Lululemon biker shorts. I can show you again here, but y'all already know, if you are a subscriber to my channel, that I love these and I wear these all the time. So honestly, that is it guys. This is such a straight to the point, basic pack and prep with me. If you want a more in-depth, my Polynesian one definitely has a lot of details, and my last one has a little bit more too. So I apologize for the craziness of this pack and prep with me, but honestly, sometimes it's how it is. You know, you have life come up and you have trips planned, have to get everything together and just kind of zoom through it. And so I'm gonna pack all this up in my suitcase that's currently down on the ground, as well as a frame. That's how you know when you're moving, is when you have frames laying on the floor. Actually, put that up above our bed and it fell in the middle of the night, so that was great. I'm gonna go ahead and pack all this up in my suitcase with the packing cubes. If you wanna see like the technique I use, I kind of just take each outfit. I usually have all my outfits like laid out on the bed kind of nice, but we're rocking and rolling tonight, y'all. So we kind of gotta pack each outfit together, put it in a packing cube, put it in my bag, and get ready to go. That is pretty much all I have for you guys. I know it's crazy. I feel so like spontaneous right now, even though we've had this trip planned like probably the most in advance out of most of our trips, but we just had so much going on in our lives. We moved to our house out of our apartment, and Riley started a new job literally the next day after we moved. How crazy is that? And we moved everything just ourselves, and we got all of it like from our apartment over to our house and basically unpacked in like 2 days with the unpacking. We like moved it all in one day and had everything unpacked basically by the next day. So that was absolutely awesome. Very proud of us for doing that. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm actually about to go buy my mirrors right now because I'm definitely not gonna wait until last minute like last time. Yeah, don't make the same mistake as me. Last time I waited till last minute and Mirrors was like, girl, you should have done that in advance. So not doing that again. Definitely gonna get our mirrors ready to go. And our Southwest boarding group is like A. So that was a major slay to get that an A boarding group with Southwest. If you know, you know. Actually, Southwest is making me a little nervous because they no longer have their 2 free check bag. I like to bring a lot of stuff to Disney, so we'll see if we end up flying with Southwest next trip. We have always flown Southwest on all of our Disney trips, so we'll see what happens. And thank you guys so much for all of your support, like posting that you're watching my vlogs on like your Instagram stories and reaching out to me and DMing me. I always read every single DM, every single message. definitely message me at any time if you want to talk Disney. I love having amazing Disney friends, and I love all the connections that I made with you guys, and I cannot wait to bring you guys along for this and be able to share more of our Disney journey together. Riley and I are so obsessed, obviously, and we definitely have lots and lots more trips planned in the future. We actually do have a whole other trip booked, and that one's a big, big secret, so no telling details about that until after this is over. I will see you guys soon and be at Disney soon. Again, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with our vlogs and my Instagram stories and what we're doing in Disney in real time, because I'll post on there too whenever I upload on YouTube to like keep you guys all in the loop of everything. Again, appreciate you guys so much. You guys are amazing. Thanks, besties. I'll see you at Disney. Bye. Also, I cannot tell you guys about our new house without showing you our Disney decor, of course. Especially in our kitchen, it's so cute. So here we have our Mickey salt and pepper shakers. And then we have this really nice like cheese board that I just kind of put up like that. But it has a secret little compartment with these like nice serving knives and everything. How cute. But I just keep it up here on display because I think it looks very cute. But the little subtle Disney touches I love. And then look, normal fridge, and then, oh, what's that? Of course, our annual pass holder magnets. We're actually gonna add the Maleficent ones from this trip. And of course, here in our living room, we have our Disney pictures circling through on our TV. And then down here in this frame is where when we stayed on our trip where we became annual pass holders, and then that's us having dinner at Topolino's Terrace. And that's when we decided that we have to stay at the Riviera, and then we ended up staying there for our honeymoon. Full circle moment, love it. But anyways, I had to show you guys these little bits and pieces of our house and our love for Disney.